In today's video, I have two amazing DIY hacks using a Dollar Tree wire basket, and get ready for this one, a toilet paper roll. I can't wait to show you these two amazing hacks using these two items. Let's go ahead and get started. My inspiration came from this. I love this unique piece. I love how the candles sit in this birdcage setting. So I decided to go to Dollar Tree and find the items that I needed. So I was in the hunt for a basket. This one right here was a little bit too small. For a smaller setting, I think that it would work, but I needed it to be a little bit taller for my candles. And then I found this one that was a lot taller, and this would work perfect for my project. So I took this one. And then I headed to the party section where they have all the plastic dinnerware. I needed to find a base, and I decided to use this cake tray. This is perfect. I love the scallop edges, so I took this one here. I needed something decorative to sit on top of my basket, and I decided to use this mini garden birds, and these you can find them at Dollar General, and these were only $1, so these were gonna work perfect. So now that I had my cake tray and also my wire basket and my birds, it was time for me to spray paint them in this gold spray paint. I'm also going to use this candle stand from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to also spray paint it in that gold color. So I started off with the cake tray, and then the birds and the candle stand. And then lastly, the basket. Now that the paint was dry on all of my items, it was time for me to put everything together. The tray has these rings on the back side, as you can see, and they're going to work perfect as my guide as to where to place my candle holder, as I'm showing you right there. So all I'm going to do is just add some hot glue directly onto the tray, and then I'm going to place my candle holder over it. And then I'm just going to press it down to make sure it adheres well. I flipped my basket upside down, as you can see, and now I'm going to add my birds to the bottom side of my basket, which will be the top side of my basket. I'm just going to put some hot glue and then just lay my birds onto the basket just like so. And then I flipped it right side up and added more glue to make sure that the birds would adhere well to the basket. And then I moved in with some moss. I just added a thin layer and I scattered it around the tray. And then I placed 3 of my LED candles. I still had to fix the moss because it kept falling off. So once I placed the candles on my tray, I was able to arrange the moss and how I wanted it to look around my candles. And then I placed the basket over my tray, and this is how it turned out. By the way, these candles are remote control. I'll go ahead and link them for you if you're interested. Now for this project, we're going to use a toilet paper roll. Yes, you heard me right, a toilet paper roll. Now what I am going to create is napkin holders. I'm going to take some nautical rope and I'm going to wrap it around the tube 3 times. I'm going to attach it with some hot glue. And right here I'm pointing out where I started, and now I'm finishing where I started, and now I'm just going to cut the cord there. I'm going to add a little bit more of hot glue just to secure it and seal it down. And now by using a box cutter, I'm just going to go around the edge of my rope as closely as I possibly can. And then I used my scissors to cut off whatever I wasn't able to cut off with the box cutters. And here I'm just pointing out the 2 ends. That's going to be the bottom side of my ring holder. As I bring you in close, you can see that the nautical rope has all these straggly hairs. I'm going to take a lighter and I'm going to burn them off so the nautical rope can be nice and smooth. And now I'm going to take this berry garland and I'm going to wrap it around my ring. I'm going to start by hot gluing it in the inner part of the ring wall, and then I'm just going to wrap it around about 3 times. Once I cut off that other end, I'm just going to bend it into the inner wall, and I'm also going to add a dab of hot glue to attach everything together. Next, I'm going to add some of these flowers to my ring. I'll be adding some baby's breath and the blue flowers. Now for this project, I'm going to use this Dollar Tree clear charger. The first thing that I have to do is remove the sticker, and I'm going to use my blow dryer for that. And all I'm going to do is just apply the hot air onto the sticker until I can peel it right off. I'm going to use some window cleaner to remove any residue. So I'm going to turn my plate over to the back side because that's where I'm going to be working on. I'm going to use some of this clear Elmer's glue to apply some of these blue flowers and the green leaves. So I'm going to start by adding some glue in a small section, and then I'm going to apply the blue flower and I'm going to press it down with a brush. Then I'm going to add more glue, brush it down, and then place my green leaf over the blue flower just like this. And when I turn it over, this is what it'll look like. I'm going to continue with the same steps and adding more flowers and letting it dry overnight. And this is how these small blue flowers look like. This is something I wanted to try out when I saw these clear chargers, and I think it looks okay. It's not perfect, but I really like how they turned out. Let me know if you would have done anything different. Well, that's it, my friends. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share, like, and comment. That really helps my channel. You have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you on the next one. So bye-bye, and God bless.